Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Harden Volume 7. Before we get into this guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS Harden Volume 7, and we got these in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's in US 8.5. We have done James Harden's Volume 5, so do check out our review of that. I think that's the only one we didn't get to do the 6s, I'm afraid. But we've got the newest line, we've got the Volume 7s right here in our hands, and we're going to review it for you right now. So let's just take a look at the box. So you've got the James Harden logo there, and it says it's Harden. ADIDAS logo also, very clean box, very dope. And here they are. Now, I've seen many people comment on these sneakers, you know, them looking a bit weird. Let's be honest, it is pretty much eye-catching to everyone actually, whether you play basketball or not. Even if you wear these just casually, you're gonna grab a lot of attention. So we'll get into all the details and what I think about it when we go to the uppers of the sneaker, but we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. If you look at the patterning, it is kind of made for James Harden. So you look at the multi-directional traction here. So right there with the herringbone patterning, it's like at an angle right there, good for that kind of movement. And if you look at the back, just where the heel is, you can see the radial traction patterning also. So obviously they have James Harden in mind. It would be great for someone who, there's a lot of crossovers and a lot of step backs like James Harden does. What's really neat is that you can see the exposed foam right there, which is Boost technology, and we'll get into that right now. So if you look at the midsole, so this midsole, you've got the exposed part of the Boost. So if I turn it to the medial side, you can see it right there. And there is just a Boost pod or a Boost section found in the heel, and it's encompassed in the rubber from the outsole, and it's only in the heel. So if you were to look at the forefoot and the middle part of your feet right there, and at the forefoot, that is the Light Strike from ADIDAS, which is just another foam. But in all honesty, I'd prefer if it was a full length Boost. But maybe because if it would be full length Boost, you might snap. So which is great that these sneakers come with a torsion panel right here. You can see it. So it just reduces any chances of breaking, and you're always in the right stride when you move. Looking at the upper, so this is where the sneaker, I mean, for most people look a bit weird, but to me, it reminds me of the ADIDAS Crazy Ones. If you remember, those are like the toaster sneakers that Kobe wore. And because we got this in the red colorway, it reminds me very much of the T-Mac 3s, which were painted. I think Tracy McGrady wore them at the All-Star game. He wore one red, one blue. And because of the paint and finish right there on the toe box, you can see it there. It reminds me of that. But the initial inspiration of the sneaker, believe it or not, came from puffer jackets. So you can kind of see it here around the mid paneling of the sneaker. It's a bit puffy, very quilted. You can see it there. All of it is textile material. So the toe box itself is not leather. It feels like it's plastic. And then you've got loads of textile materials, again, that quilted look. And it just reminds me of that big Yeezy jacket he did with Gap, I think it was. And yeah, it just very much reminds me of that, especially when the paint hits right there. Look at the lace enclosure, so it's a quick fast lacing system there. Essentially, the sneaker is inside this booty system, so you can see it all around. And if you look at the collar, it's more exposed. So you've got that slip-in function right there for you. You've got pull tab right there. And essentially, it's like a sock liner. And if you look at the back, as mentioned, you've got a pull tab. You've got your heel counter, and then you've got what I really love about these Adidas basketball sneakers is the inclusion of the 3 stripes on the heel. This very much reminds me of the D Rose sneakers, and we've done tons of D Rose reviews, so do check those out. And if you look at the insole as well, so you've got a normal foam insole with James Harden's signature there also. Really excited to try these on. I've heard so much that these are probably the best basketball sneakers of 2023. We shall see. If you want to see us do like a performance review, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll get to doing one hopefully. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this on. So roll that footage of me trying these Harden Volume 7s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. Thankfully, I'm a UK size 8 and these fit perfectly actually. Now, I thought that these will be a bit difficult to get on because it's essentially a booty system, but it was really relatively easy and it's very comfy. You can feel the boost right there, heel, and the strides it makes. It's very comfortable. I feel like the traction is great as well because it's multi-directional. I wouldn't say I play like James Harden. Hopefully I can shoot like him if you would see him, you would see me play. But again, guys, let us know if you want to see performance reviews on the comment section below. We don't know until you guys let us know. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.